Since we only got two, I have an idea. I say we put both of you at top of the hill and you drag race to the berm. Land rush start. Who's got the horsepower? Eric was our TQ, so you get lane choice. You want to start on the inside or outside? Outside, okay. Kevin, line up on the inside. All right. Marshall spots are good, so these guys are going to be blitzing down that straightaway on the sound of the tone. Who's got it? Eric tagging the wall. Got two of them. Pretty clean, though. For a lander start, can't ask for much more than that. Kevin with a little trouble over the triple. But he did the right thing. He waited. Made up a little time on the track. Eric coming across. There's Kevin, 3.3 to gap. Track looking awful hooked up today. 5.3 to gap last time. Looks like Kevin might have made up a little bit of time on this one. Yes, 3.8. At an 18.0 to 16.5. Eric's taking a tumble, doesn't need him. Well, now he does need him, Marshall. So here comes Kevin. Making up another couple seconds. That yellow and red 22T leading us out. Followed by Kevin in that 2.4.2. Right, very big, yellow wheels. 1.9 was gap last time, 2.8. Oh no, Kevin on his lid. Rolling it over, dropping down onto the straightaway. Eric with trouble as well. Race number 3, start getting them ready. This is the one I know I'm waiting for. Stock Buggy A main. A1. We know that one's going to be fun. You guys better not make it too exciting. My voice won't last throughout the day. Well, Eric leading us out. Kevin trying to chase him down. Still on the same lap. Kevin with some trouble getting up over the line. Going to come across 6.6 seconds behind the leader. About it. The last time that time through, 16.3 from Eric, 16.4 from Kevin. Fast lap right now, 16.0 from your current race leader, Eric. That was in lap number 2. Kevin with a 16.4. These guys got it in them. Let's see some fast laps. Make a race out of it. Kevin going for the triple, takes the tumble. That's hard to make with stock truck.
2 minutes left.
Eric did the same thing. He did not need a Marshall. He gets a lucky rollover. Minute 50 on the clock. They're going for the triple again. He makes it that time. Oh, the leader's getting stuck there. Coming into the Viper off Candace chain. There's more trouble getting on the straightaway. Kevin has a chance, and they've still got over a minute left in this one. Minute 15. 1:15 left, drivers. Again, we are going to need some Marshall help after this race. I need all those spots covered. We got a full 10 cars, stock buggy main.
1 minute left.
Eric still launching that triple. A long note from Kevin. Eric is. We can help. That's going to close that gap down quite a bit. Just 20 seconds left in this one. Eric will make another lap. Kevin's right on the bubble. He's on a 6 flat or 5 flat. He should get across. 2, 1, keep going. Everybody gets the bonus lap. Kevin making it up to a 17 lap pace. Right on that final lap. Gets around for one more, but Eric Norris can take our 2-1 win. So we got Kevin to finish.
Good job, Kevin. You got the second.
That's the race, all right. Eric takes that one 17.5, 10. Kevin coming around about 11 seconds back on a 5.21.